Welcome to this training module on Microsoft PowerPoint. Today we'll explore its key features and functionalities, equipping you to create dynamic and impactful presentations. Index. In this module, we'll cover the following topics: Introduction, File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Transition tab, Animation tab, Slideshow tab, Review tab, View tab. Let's begin with a quick introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation software developed by Microsoft. It's widely used for creating visually appealing and dynamic presentations for various purposes, whether it's a business meeting, academic lecture, training session, or even a personal project. Key features of PowerPoint. PowerPoint offers an array of features that enhance the presentation experience. Slide creation design, slides with text, images, videos, and shapes. Choose from pre-designed themes and templates. Customizable design apply themes and templates for a consistent look. Personalize fonts, colors, and layouts to suit your needs. Presentation modes. Use slideshow mode for live presentations. Leverage presenter view for better control and navigation during a presentation. Animations and transitions. Add motion effects to slide elements. Create smooth transitions between slides for a polished flow. Multimedia integration. Embed audio, video, and interactive elements. Visualize data with charts, tables, and smart art. Why use PowerPoint? PowerPoint stands out as a versatile tool for several reasons. Effective communication. Simplifies complex ideas using visuals. Engagement. Keeps your audience focused with dynamic content. Versatility. Adapts to various needs, from classrooms to corporate boardrooms. Accessibility. User-friendly and widely used across industries. Module 1. File tab. Let's start with the File tab. File tab, part of the Backstage view. The File tab focuses on managing your presentation as a file rather than the content on the slides themselves. This section allows you to handle the administrative and customization aspects of your presentation with ease. Here are the key features of the File tab. Info. Protect your presentation by marking it as final or encrypting it with a password. View details like file size, author information, permissions, and version history. Create a new presentation from scratch or use templates and themes to kickstart your project. Open access recent presentations or browse files saved on your computer or cloud storage services like OneDrive. Save and save, as save your current presentation. If it's a new file, choose a location and name for it. Save a copy under a new name or format, such as PDF or PPTX. Export. Convert your presentation into various formats, including PDF, XPS, or video, for broader sharing and distribution. This concludes the first module. In the next sections, we'll dive deeper into the remaining tabs and their features to help you unlock PowerPoint's full potential.